Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can edit one of your own YouTube videos into a short. This is a new update from YouTube where you can take your regular long form content and create a short with that, and the process is very simple. So let's just get straight into it. What you need to do is just open up the YouTube app, and before you do this you might want to update your YouTube app to the latest version. And then once you're on the main page of the YouTube app, go to the bottom right hand corner where it says library, and then what you want to click on is here where it says your videos. This is going to show you all your uploaded videos, so click on that, and this is all my uploaded videos. So if I just click on any one of them, and then let me just pause that, what you're going to see is all these different options over here. But the one that we're looking for is the create option. So you can see there, you click on that one, which is create. And there you can see at the top, it says edit into a short. This option is only available to you, and you can also use the sound from this video. So tap on edit into a short, and this is going to pop up where you can now select up to 60 seconds of the video that you previously uploaded as a long form piece of content. You can take this and you can drag it. So on the app you can only do up to 15 seconds on my app for a short. So you would go to which portion of the video where you want to make that into a short, and then once you've done that you click on next, and then that's just going to take a moment to process. And now it takes you into the shorts editor where you can add your text, your timeline and filters. You would select next at the top when you're done with that, and then you can go ahead and post that with your description and everything like that. So that's the process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.